Have you ever been stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? A reliable jump starter can get you back on the road in minutes, and many of today's models do much more than just jump start your vehicle. They also include air compressors, power banks, emergency flashlights, and even digital tire pressure displays. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best jump starters on AliExpress in 2026. We'll cover each product's features, performance, advantages, disadvantages, and help you decide which one offers the best value for your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. YESPER 2000A Jump Starter with 150 PSI Air Compressor. Kicking off our list in the top position is the YESPER 2000A Jump Starter. YESPER has built a strong reputation for producing dependable automotive emergency equipment, and this model lives up to that reputation. It delivers 2000A peak current, supports up to 8-liter gasoline and 6-liter diesel engines, includes a 150 PSI air compressor, digital display, USB power bank, and multiple intelligent safety protections. Its compact design makes it easy to store while still providing excellent overall performance. Pros: trusted brand, reliable 2000A jumpstart performance, 150 PSI air compressor, digital display, smart battery protection, compact and durable design. Cons: battery capacity is smaller than some ultra-high capacity competitors. Premium features come at a slightly higher price. For most drivers, this is the best overall balance of reliability, portability, safety, and value. It delivers everything you need for roadside emergencies without being overly bulky. Number 2. 5-in-1 Jump Starter with 150 PSI Digital Tire Inflator. Our runner-up is this highly practical 5-in-1 Jump Starter. Besides jump-starting your vehicle, it includes a 150 PSI digital air compressor, LED emergency lighting, USB charging ports, and an easy-to-read display that shows real-time tire pressure. Its combination of features makes it an excellent all-around roadside companion. Pros: powerful 3000A peak output, 150 PSI digital inflator, bright LED display, multiple emergency functions, excellent value. Cons: slightly larger than basic jump starters. Digital screen may reduce battery life if left on unnecessarily. This model offers one of the best feature-to-price ratios, making it ideal for drivers who want both emergency starting and tire maintenance in one package. Number 3. FOWAWU 26,800 mAh 7000A Peak Jump Starter. Taking the third spot is the impressive FOWAWU 26,800 mAh Jump Starter. With an incredible 7,000A peak current, this model can start up to 12-liter gasoline and 10-liter diesel engines. It also serves as a high-capacity power bank for charging phones, tablets, and other electronics. Its rugged construction makes it ideal for SUVs, pickup trucks, RVs, and larger vehicles. Pros: massive 7,000A peak output, large 26,800 mAh battery, supports very large engines, fast USB charging, durable build quality. Cons: slightly heavier than compact models, no integrated tire inflator. If maximum starting power is your priority, this is one of the strongest jump starters available for the price. Number 4. 12V Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor 600A Peak. Fourth on our list is this 600A Peak Jump Starter featuring a built-in air compressor and power bank functionality. This unit is ideal for smaller cars, motorcycles, and compact SUVs. It includes smart protection systems to prevent reverse polarity, short circuits, overcharging, and overheating. Pros: affordable price, easy to operate, multiple safety protections, tire inflator included, lightweight design. Cons: 600A Peak limits use on larger engines, smaller battery capacity than higher-end models. This is a great option for drivers with smaller vehicles who want a dependable emergency starter without spending a lot. Number 5. Portable 4-in-1 Car Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Starting our list is this versatile portable 4-in-1 car jump starter that combines a jump starter, air compressor,
LED emergency light, and portable power bank into one compact device. Designed for 12V vehicles, it's an excellent emergency tool to keep in your car. The built-in tire inflator makes it especially useful during road trips or unexpected tire pressure issues. Pros: 4-in-1 multifunction design, built-in air compressor, LED emergency flashlight, USB charging for phones and tablets, compact and portable. Cons: peak current isn't as high as premium models. The air compressor is better suited for emergency use rather than frequent inflation. If you're looking for an affordable emergency kit with multiple functions, this model offers excellent value and convenience for everyday drivers. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best jump starters on AliExpress 2026. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect jump starter for your car, truck, or emergency roadside kit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and the best tech deals from AliExpress. We'd love to hear from you. Which jump starter is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and if you've used any of these products, share your experience to help other viewers make the right choice. You can find the purchase links for all the featured products in the video description. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next video.